Alright, it is time to try and run the R18 a bit again. And I realize I forgot the drill inside, so I guess we'll see if I can start it by hand. Oh, it almost went. There we go. Well, I didn't know I was going to get that to hand start. That's pretty nice. That it went from having so many ignition problems to suddenly just hand starting like that. So that's real nice. Alright. Now, the question is, it keeps trying to hop around a bit. There. There, I think that bore tray will work. Alright. Alright, now it's time to experiment with slow motion, maybe.